What is a highly anticipated global event that happens every 4 years and usually prompts lots of highs and lows? No, it's not the World Cup nor the Olympic Games, but the Bitcoin halving. If you trade Bitcoin, then it's crucial for you to understand the halving process and the Bitcoin price cycles or seasons around it. Now, let's have a look at some charts of Bitcoin to better demonstrate these price cycle seasons that I've been speaking of. We say that crypto spring starts 12 months before the halving. So back in May, June, July 2015, so you see a 200% return between 12 months before the halving and the halving itself. So that's pretty much what we have seen in the 12 months before this halving. So the current crypto spring as well, around about that 200% price increase. The Bitcoin halving is a predetermined event which occurs after every 210,000 blocks are mined on the blockchain. This event reduces the rewards given to miners who validate the transactions on the blockchain by half, or 50% less than previous. Because this reduces the supply of new Bitcoins coming onto the market, it has historically had the effect of creating a new bull market run, with the price typically reaching new all-time highs. This has traditionally marked the beginning of a new crypto summer. So then we look at the halving itself, right? Now this happened in July 2016. Just look at what happens over the next 18 months, right? So this is the start of what we call the crypto summer, and you can see why, because everybody loves summer, and up the price goes from 600, past 6,000, past 10,000, and for a brief period it got up to just below 14,000. But you know, it didn't stay there for long. So the general price was, you know, a consolidation around about the 10,000 level. So we say if that's the end of summer there, that was December 17. So that's just 17, 18 months of summer period that we experience in this crypto season. So then we consolidate around the 10,000 level. You say that's the autumn. And you can see for about 4 or 5 months there, we were stuck in that sort of 9,000 to 10,000. And then we get into what we call this bleak term, the crypto winter. Now this is where we see the big drawdowns, can be as much as 80% in the past, 9 to 12 months. You can see this crypto winter period that troughs at the start of 2019, and it troughs around the 3,500, 4,000 level. Now, this coincides with being 12 months before the next halving. So it takes us nicely into that spring period, and the cycle starts all over again. So let's just jump to the next chart here, and that's back in April 2019, 12 months before the halving occurred, so the start of crypto spring, and that's us at a level of around about $5,000. When the halving occurred, then we were back up to 9,000. Okay, so you can see yet again that crypto spring period, just a nice steady rise, 5,000 to 9,000, and then here it is again, this crypto summer. Remembering that that's what we're just about to enter. The 2024 halving is coming at the end of April 2024. And just look at what happened last time. We went from 9,000 up past 20,000, past 30,000, past 40,000, right up to just below 60,000. And once again, we get this consolidation around the autumn level. You actually saw a new all-time high in the previous crypto autumn, and that was in October 21. So you get a 12-month period of consolidation. And then, it's back into that winter period. The Bitcoin price hit rock bottom in November 2022. and this is around 18 months before the coming halving. It experienced a drawdown of minus 75%. However, it has since recovered strongly. Compared to previous halving cycles, this crypto spring has been much warmer, with the Bitcoin price reaching all-time highs, a far more robust recovery than in the past. While there is no guarantee that the cyclical pattern will repeat for the fourth halving, the current cycle exhibits many similarities to the previous 3 halvings. One notable factor contributing to this exceptionally hot spring is the Bitcoin ETF narrative, which drove up crypto prices in the second half of 2023. The approval of 9 spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US in January 2024 has further fueled expectations that institutional demand will continue to rise. Evidence of the inflows into these ETFs signal an increasing demand and has validated these expectations, explaining the great performance of Bitcoin in the first quarter of 2024. Of course, historical data is no guarantee of future results, but understanding the 4 seasons of a Bitcoin halving cycle is crucial to your crypto trading and investing. To better understand how you can trade Bitcoin with Axie, then click on the link below.